for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.